Good morning, students. I'm Ritu, your science teacher. I hope you all are in good health and doing all your work regularly. Today in this video we will perform some activities, and these activities are based on our fifth chapter, that is separation of substances. So let's begin the activities, and the first one activity is hand picking. To perform this activity we have to take some grains. Let's begin the activity. To perform this activity we have to spread these grains on a plate. Spread out these grains in this plate. Now we have to separate out these impurities with the help of hands. As these impurities have large sized, so we can easily separate out these from this mixture of wheat grains. As this activity's name suggests, hand picking, we picked out impurities by our hand. So here we separate out these stones from this wheat grains mixture. Here our first activity is completed. Now we are going to begin our second activity. Now we will perform our second activity, which is sieving. For this activity we have to take a sieve, this kind of sieve which we are going to use for this method. As here I take sieve and wheat flour. Sieve allows the fine particles to pass through the holes of the sieve, while the bigger impurities remain on the sieve. So this method sieving help करती है हमारी कि जो भी impurities हैं इसके अंदर उन्हें हम separate out कर सकें, which have slightly larger size. As we can see by this sieving, the smaller size, as we can see by this process of sieving, the fine particles of flour continuously passing through the holes of sieve. So we can see here we have impurities that we have separated out from this flour. So sieving is used when components of a mixture have different sizes. Here our second activity is also completed. Now we will perform our third activities, which is sedimentation. For this we have two glasses, transparent glasses, and in first one we have muddy water. As we can see, this glass have large amount of impurities as mud. Now we have to left it undisturbed for 20 to 30 minutes. After a few minutes we can observe the difference between this liquid content. As we can see that the sandy particles are deposited on the bottom. We can see this clearly. After 15 to 20 minutes we can observe the more difference between previous one and this one. We can easily observe that color of water is now lighter and almost all sand gets deposited to the bottom. So in the process of sedimentation, heavier components get settled down at the bottom and the lighter one are on the top. Here we have completed our third activity, sedimentation. Now we will perform our fourth activity, which is decantation. If a mixture of such liquid is allowed to stand for some time, they form two separate layers. The one layer is of sand and the second layer is of water. Now we have to separate out this upper water layer without disturbing this sand layer. Let's separate out this upper layer of water slowly without disturbing this bottom layer of sand. Yes, we can see here is all sandy material we have, and this is our upper layer of water. So here our fourth activity, decantation, is also completed. So students, try to perform these activities at your home. You can perform other activities also